As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. Now this has been flipped inside out since this is being ice dyed, and I've got the center line marked, so I'm going to go ahead and do that magic flip that keeps everything all nicely in line so that everything is equally saturated on the front and back. Real quick, and then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, so we've got that done. Go ahead and flip this over. I'm going to do this simply so I'm working with the sleeve towards me. I simply think it's, actually, flip back. I'm trying to get it positioned to where it might be the easiest for me. So I'm going to do this the same, basically a twist, and we're just going to use some sinew to make sure it stays roughly in place. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this first. And I'm going to twist. I'm going to do it at an angle though, so I'm going to grab these two general areas. The reason I'm not starting up here is so that this doesn't separate, since that's that middle point. Do this. And I'm just going to twist it up. Just going to get it started, and I'm going to come in here and start the sinew. Do several turns and then just pull that so that that locks in. And then I'll just make sure this is twisted. I think I'm twisting it tighter than I did on the last one. Then I'll just come in and do it as that goes. Alright, it's quick and easy. Off to dye. For this, I'm going to be using Fire Red from Dharma, Orange MX2R from Custom Colors, Banana Yellow, which way? Banana Yellow from Grateful Dyes, Bright Green, Bluebird, and Power Berry, and those last three are all from Dharma. So I'm going to put the ice down first and then come in and just kind of section it off. Alright, I went ahead and put little marks down the side as far as where the color should start and stop. So I'll go ahead and fill this in. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt through, and then I'm probably going to flip it and do something on the back, but we'll see what it looks like after the first melt. Alright, ice has melted through. We've got some baby poop color going on there. Let's go ahead and flip this upside down like this. It's mostly through, but I'm going to go ahead and throw some ice down and do a black lightly across the back. We'll let that melt through again, and then do the washout. Alright, time for the washout. There's that. Go ahead and throw that in the wash. See the final. Looks like most of the blues and the purples. Oh, they might still be there. But the black took over most of it. But we shall see after we wash it out. Alright, we have the front. We have the back. I like it. I think it turned out really well. There's a little bit of blue and a little bit of violet down here at the very bottom. It's more the position it was on the incline than anything else. It was just really low on the incline. I think the black actually works with this. I like it. I know I already said that, but I do like it. With the blacks in here that filled in. Now this would have been white. It wouldn't be overruling another color that's already on here because of the time span was about 12 hours after the first colors were put on. So this would have been white, which of course doesn't work with how I normally do things. So we end up with the cool little black highlights throughout. What are your thoughts? I think I'm going to keep doing these in various forms, a few changes here and there. I like the results. Let me know what you think down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.